What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change the system notification sound in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, click on notification sound, and here it will show you the list of sounds that can be used as the notification sound. So from here just simply tap on a sound to select. So that's how you can change the system notification sound in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.